Hello, welcome to Video Wizard. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to save presets in Premiere Pro. Okay, so I have this video here. I've given myself a dirty border, pretty much this little border on my videos. So what am I going to do? I'm going to press the video, head over into Effect Controls over here. I've used the Roughen Edges effect to get this. So I'm going to go over to it. I'm going to right click. Let me just right click. I'm going to press Save Preset. Now you want to name it something you can easily find again, okay? So I'm going to write Dirty Border. Dirty Border is now saved. If we get rid of this effect now, notice how it's gone from this photo. Search in my effects. Search in my effects again. Dirty Border. And look at that, it's back. There we go, boys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.